Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate App Store Connect for iOS app deployment, full guide step by step clearly. To activate App Store Connect for iOS app deployment, start by opening your web browser. Visit the App Store Connect website at appstoreconnect.apple.com. Log in using your Apple ID associated with your developer account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the App Store Connect dashboard. If this is your first time, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. Next, click on My Apps to start the app creation process. In the My Apps section, click on the plus icon to create a new app. Choose the appropriate platform, which in this case is iOS. Enter the app name, primary language, and bundle ID for your app. Select a SKU number that uniquely identifies your app. Click on Create to proceed to the app details page. Fill in the required metadata including app description, keywords, and support URL. Upload your app's primary icon following the specified image dimensions and guidelines. Next, navigate to the Pricing and Availability section. Set the pricing tier for your app and select the territories where it will be available. Move to the App Store Information section to fill in additional details like privacy policies. Go to the Build section to upload your app binary via Xcode or Application Loader. Once the upload is complete, select the build you want to associate with this version. Fill in any necessary compliance information, especially regarding export regulations. After providing all required information, click on Save to proceed. Finally, submit your app for review by clicking the Submit for Review button. Monitor your app's status in App Store Connect until it is approved for release. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.